Rules for simplifying exponential expressions. When multiplying like bases, you add the exponents. A is to n over multiplied by a is to m equals to a is to n plus m. So for example, 3 squared times 3 is to 50 equals to 3 is to 7 because 3 squared equals to 3 times 3. 3 fifth or 3 is to 5th is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 threes. So our answer is 3 is to 7. So another example, 4 is to 6 times 4 is to 4th equals to 6 plus 4 is 10. So our answer is 4 is to 10th. When dividing like bases, you subtract the exponents. A is to n over a is to m equals to a is to n minus m. So for example, x is to 5th over x cubed. So we will subtract the 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is x squared. Like this. X times x times x times x times x over x times x times x. So we consider these 3 x's. So there are 2 x's in the top. So our answer is x squared. Another example, x is to 12 over x is to 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So our answer is x is to 8. So when the problem goes like this, x is to 4 over x is to 7. 4 minus 7 equals to negative 3. So the answer is x is to negative 3 over 1. So whenever you have a negative exponent, when you move it to the bottom, the negative exponent becomes positive. So x is to negative 3 over 1 is the same as 1 over x cubed. And typically, in algebra, the final answer will contain positive and not a negative. When raising a power to a power, you multiply the exponent. A is to n multiplied by m equals to a is to nm. So for example, 3 is to 4 multiplied by 6 to the power. So 4 times 6 equals to 24. So our answer is 3 is to 24. So another example, 4 is to 3 times to the power of 5th. So 3 times 5 equals to 15. So our answer is 4 is to 15. So another example, x squared multiplied by cube. So why won't we add these exponents instead of multiplying? So x squared is x times x squared times x is x squared is x times x, then x times x times x. So how many x's do we have? There are 6 x's. So our answer is x to the 6th. Any integer raised to negative 1 is the reciprocal of that integer. A is to negative 1 equals to 1a. So for example, 3 is to negative 1. So the answer is 1/3. Another, 15 is to negative 1. So the answer is 1 is to 15. Any number raised to the first power is itself. A is to 1 equals to a. For example, 3 is to 1. So the answer is 3. 5, 2, 8, 9, 2, 1 raised to 1. The answer is 5, 2, 8, 9, 2, 1. So any number raised to the 0 power is 1. So a is to 0. The answer is 1. So for example, 3 is to 0. The answer is 1. 5, 2, 8, 9, 2, 1 is to 0. The answer is 1. Even 1 million raised to 0. The answer is 1.